Good evening everyone. Today we'll discuss the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you about its common names. Okay. About the common name of let me tell you about the common name of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, this is our what? Common name. So we all know that common name depends upon the source. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you some common names of aldehyde. Now, first of all, what is the general formula of aldehyde? So we all know that the general formula of aldehyde is what? CnH2n plus 1 CHO. Clear? So now put n equals to 0. Now if by putting n equal to 0, we will be getting what? HC double bond OH, or we can write HCHO. This compound is called as what? This compound is called as formaldehyde. This compound is called as formaldehyde. This is called as formaldehyde or methanol. Clear? If I put n equals to 1, then the compound will be CH3 C double bond O H or CH3 CHO. It will be called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, formaldehyde is its common name, and methanol, this is called as ethanol because it contains how many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. So it is our what? IUPAC name. So like this, if you put n equals to 2, the compound will be called as C2H5 with formula C2H5 C double bond O H, then C2H5CHO. Okay, can be written as like this or like this. So it is called as what? Propionaldehyde. This is called as propionaldehyde or propanol. Clear? If I put n equal to 3, then the formula will be C3H7 C double bond OH or C3H7CHO, which is called as butyraldehyde. Okay, butyraldehyde is its common name and its IUPAC name is butanol. Clear? Like this, if I put n equals to 4, C4H9 C double bond OH, as it contains 5 carbon atoms, that's why it is called as valeraldehyde. Valeraldehyde, and its IUPAC name is pentanol. So I hope it is clear to all of you, but these are all aliphatic aldehydes. That means your straight chain carbon atoms are present. Now let me write some aromatic aldehydes also. Let me tell you some about aromatic aldehyde. Like if I attach a CHO group to benzene ring, this is called as benzaldehyde. This is called as benzaldehyde. Clear? Like this, if I put CHBr CH2 C double bond OH. Clear? Now if you count, so in common name we have to what? We have to write alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma, this is delta. So we all know that, sorry, this is wrong. In IUPAC name we have to count from this carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. But in common name we have to count from functional group carbon atom. The carbon atom which is attached to functional group. Functional group is CHO, so it will be alpha. This is beta. This is gamma. So its name will be beta bromo butyraldehyde. Why it is called as butyraldehyde? Because you want 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms. So beta bromo means bromine atom is attached to beta carbon atom. That's why it is called as beta bromo butyraldehyde. Clear? So I hope it is clear to all of you. These are the common name and IUPAC name of what? Aldehydes. Now let me tell you about some ketones. So for ketones, For ketones, what is the general formula? The ketone for ketones general formula is CnH2n plus 1 C double bond O can be written as CnH2n plus 1, or we can write CH3 C double bond O CnH2n plus 1. This can be ketone, this can be ketone. Now if I put here n equals to 1, the formula will be CH3 C double bond O CH3, and the name of this compound is acetone. This is acetone, or it is called as propan 2-ONE. Clear? This is called as acetone, and it is called as what? Propan 2-ONE. Now put n equals to 2. What will happen? If I put n equals to CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH3, the name will be what? Well, this is our what? Common name. This is our what? UPAC name. Clear? So if I write its common name, what will be its common name? So its IPC name is what? Its IPC name is counting will be start from right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So its IPC name will be what? Butan 2-ONE. Okay. But if I will tell you about only common name, okay, only common name, then some different common names are used. Like if I join benzene ring with C double bond O CH3, then this is called as what? This is called as what? Acetophenone. Its common name is acetophenone. Are you all getting my point? This compound's common name is what? Acetophenone. Clear? Like this, if I take benzene and C double bond O, then CH2, then CH3, this is called as propiophenone. So how can you write its common name? By very simply, by using some tricks. If you follow here, 2 carbon atom is present. That means here aceto group is added with phenol. Here 3 carbon atom is added, so we have to add propio. If 4, then it will be add butylphenol or butyryl phenol. Phenol is like this. Okay. So if I attach 2 rings with C double bond O, then it will be called as what? Then this is called as benzophenone. This compound is called as what? Benzophenone. So I hope it is clear to all of you. These are the common name of what? Ketones. So also some other terms are used in common name, like this ketone is called as dimethyl ketone. This will be called as dimethyl ketone. Like this is called as its common name, right? Or this is our IPAC name, UPAC name. Its common name is methyl ethyl ketone. So E comes first, ethyl, because E alphabetical order. So ethyl, then methyl, then ketone. Clear? So how can I write this? This is phenyl, this is methyl. So M comes first, so methyl, then phenyl, then ketone. This is ketone. Ethyl, methyl, phenyl, ketone. So this is what? This is ethyl, this is phenyl. So ethyl, then phenyl, then what? Ketone. This is diphenyl ketone. This is This is diphenyl ketone. So I hope it is clear to all of you. These are all the what? Common names. Now let me write some IUPAC name of what? Ketones. Let me write some IUPAC names. Now we will take some different examples of IUPAC name like this. So let me write some examples of like ethanol. Ethanol, we have just studied the formula of ethanol. We all know that. What is the formula? The formula is what? The formula is CH3 C double bond O H. This is ethanol because it contains what? Because it contains 2 carbon atom. Now let me write some IUPAC names. Okay. This is ethanol. Okay, now let me write some complicated names or critical names. Let me write here a formula CH3, then CH2, then again CH2, then CH, a Br atom is attached, then CH3, then this is CH2, then again C double bond O H. Okay, so how can I write its IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So 4 bromo, this is what? Bromo, this is methyl, so what? Bromo comes first, bromo, 4 bromo, then 3 methyl, then 7, so heptanal will be its what? Its IUPAC name. Now if I draw the structure of ketone like this, then what will be its name? So from ketone side numbering will be start. Numbering carbon will be starting. Will be starting our numbering carbon atom like this 1, 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So what will be its name? This is 3 methyl cyclopentanone. 3 methyl cyclopentanone. Clear? Now if I write CHO, so what will happen? What will be its name? This is called as cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So its IUPAC name is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So these are the different kinds of aldehydes and ketones which can, these are all what? IUPAC name, their IUPAC name. Let me write here some another example. CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, then C double bond O, then H. So what will be its name? Pent 2En, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pent 2En, 1 al. Clear? Now let me take some another example like C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So what will be its name? 1 phenyl. So how can I count the carbon atom like this? 1, 2, 3. So 1 phenyl. This is 1 phenyl, this is propan, 1 ONA. Okay, so like this we can easily what? We can easily write the IUPAC name of the different ketones and aldehydes. Okay. Now if I write some another examples like CH3, CH2, then C double bond O, then again CH2, then again C double bond O H. So how can I count the carbon atoms? Here two functional groups are present, C double bond O and C double bond O H, but priority will be given more to CHO. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this C double bond O act as a substituent, so which act as a prefix. So 3 oxo or keto pentanal will be its IUPAC name. So let me write some another example. CH3, C, this is CH3, this is H, then C double bond O, then CH, CH3, then again CH3. So this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4 name will be 2,4 dimethyl pentan 3 ONE. 2,4 dimethyl pentan 3 ONE will be its IUPAC name. Now if I connect nitro group to CHO, what will be its name? So counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So what its name will be? 4 nitro benzene carbaldehyde, or 4 nitro benzal dehyde will be its IUPAC name. Clear? If more than one CHO group is attached to any carbon atom, the what will be its name? Propane. This will be what? Propane 1, 2, 3. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbal dehyde. Propane 1, 2, 3 tricarbal dehyde will be its IUPAC name. So I hope it is clear to all of you. These are all the common names and IUPAC name we have discussed here in this class. Thank you everyone.